Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Homestreet Bank account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.homestreet.com. After you come across this official page, click on the profile icon in the top section of your screen. Then select the type of account you want to log into. Here you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account. If you do not have an account yet, then you can click on sign up link. After entering your user ID, click on the continue button. Then follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Homestreet Bank account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.